So Dogecoin has been trading sideways, but its price action suggests that it is now eyeing the critical support level of 30 cents. Meanwhile, Robinhood's rival Wealthsimple has decided to list Shiba Inu. And then there's Elon Musk, who is supporting Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus in his Twitter tirade against hype in crypto. So let's talk about all of it and some other important news. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So Doge is currently trading just over 26 cents after a drop to 25 cents recently. Dogecoin's price analysis indicates that if it closes today below the trend line at 26 cents, the 100-day moving average at 25 cents is a potential destination. Additional support is provided by the 50-day moving average around 24.5 cents, which reinforces the scale-down support. And if Dogecoin maintains its 50 and 100-day moving averages, the outlook is stable to optimistic. For the time being, it is expected that Dogecoin will break through the 200-day moving average in the coming sessions. However, if the Dogecoin price falls below 24 cents, this view becomes invalid. Moreover, it is expected that Dogecoin's price is set to reach the critical support level of 30 cents, which might signal the start of an exciting new bull run. And as other cryptos like Ethereum have found more success recently, given their current velocity. Simultaneously, Doge remains perilously near the breakout area without progressing. And as Dogecoin is looking steady around the 26 cents and 27 cents range, analysts think that it might hit 30 cents, which would serve as the top border for its symmetrical triangular shape and put the bullish target of roughly 35 cents into context. Besides, Dogecoin's volume was significantly higher than typical in previous days, indicating a high level of investor interest and favoring a positive move in this situation. On the other hand, Dogecoin co-founder Billy Markus has taken to Twitter to definitely distance himself from Shiba Inu. Markus, who co-founded Dogecoin in 2013, has stated that he has no connection to Shiba Inu. He also stated that he was forced to remove a contact form from his website after being besieged with spam messages from Shiba Inu supporters. Besides, Billy Markus posted another tweet to denounce the enthusiasm that occasionally surrounds cryptos and is exploited by those seeking quick riches by riding the wave. And as expected, Elon Musk expressed his support for Billy Markus. So Markus stated that the hype does not persist long, since these get-rich-quick individuals soon sell their crypto in order to achieve their goal and exit. And when they detect a new wave of hype on the horizon, they jump on board as well. He further added that to hold crypto or any other asset that should be worth more in the future than it is now, the value must be added to it. And as is customary, Tesla CEO Elon Musk chimed in with a comment as he wrote in support of Markus' statement. So what are your thoughts on this? Do you think both Markus and Musk are right? Let me know in the comments section below. Now, let's come to the most important news for today. So it has been reported that a Toronto-based online brokerage firm, Wealthsimple, is going to list Shiba Inu amid speculations of Robinhood and Kraken listing it. Initially, customers could only trade Bitcoin and Ether on the exchange. However, the Ontario Securities Commission granted it authority in June to broaden its crypto offering. It included Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin among the 14 new cryptos. And as we can see, Shiba Inu is getting back on track again. I think there's a lot going on for SHIB, and it is going to end the year on a very solid note. Now, let's talk about crypto adoption for a minute. So the U.S. Senator Ted Cruz submitted a resolution in the Senate titled Adopting Cryptocurrency in Congress as an Exchange of Payment for Transactions Resolution. The resolution calls for the acceptance of Bitcoin at restaurants, vending machines, and gift stores throughout the Capitol complex. And according to the resolution's text, the architect of the Capitol, the Secretary of the Senate, and the Chief Administrative Officer of the House of Representatives shall each solicit and enter into contracts with entities that will accept cryptos as payment for goods to provide food service and vending machines in Capitol buildings. And another big news from today was that a new draft bill is being proposed in Brazil that will allow Brazilian workers to be paid in crypto. This is a pretty big deal because if it goes through, it'll take us very close to crypto's mass adoption in yet another country. We know how Bitcoin became legal tender in El Salvador and how people have not only made peace with it, but are also finally quite happy about it. The point is that because of this new bill, I think Brazil could be the next country where we could see Bitcoin becoming legal tender. Besides, Senator Cruz said in a recent interview that Congress can set the standard for crypto by accepting them as a form of payment and expanding crypto understanding within the chamber and eventually throughout the United States. So what do you think about Senator Cruz's crypto adoption proposal? Let me know in the comment section below. Meanwhile, it appears that U.S. politicians are now trying to promote crypto as a payment method. Recently, New York City Mayor Eric Adams and Miami City Mayor Francis Suarez announced that they will be taking their paychecks in Bitcoin. Both Adams and Suarez have lobbied for their communities to become crypto centers in the United States. Adams said that he wants to make New York City the center of Bitcoins, while Suarez has expressed his desire to make Miami the city with the most progressive crypto regulations in the United States. On the other hand, U.S. Representatives Tom Emmer and Darren Soto recently issued a bipartisan letter to SEC Chairman Gary Gensler about Bitcoin ETF. The letter states that the SEC has approved 2 Bitcoin futures ETF, but not a single Bitcoin spot ETF. Members of Congress have urged the SEC to approve Bitcoin spot ETF. They stated that now that the SEC has cleared the trading of Bitcoin futures ETF, it should have no worries about Bitcoin spot ETF and should demonstrate a comparable willingness to permit the trading of Bitcoin spot ETF. And as per a recent report, Star Financial Bank has announced that it has become the first bank in the U.S. state of Indiana to provide consumers with Bitcoin trading services. According to the official announcement, the services will be provided by New York Digital Investment Group and the Alchemy platform, and customers will be able to purchase and trade Bitcoin directly using the Star mobile banking app. Meanwhile, Stephen Bohannon, Alchemy's chief strategy and sales officer, has stated that his company assists financial institutions in achieving digital banking success by providing the most advanced cloud-based digital banking platform on the market. He also said that early technology adopters understand the critical nature of embracing Bitcoin prospects, so collaborating with the Star Financial Bank will give amazing results. And another big news for adoption was that the Australian fund management company BetaShares' new crypto company ETF smashed Australian Securities Exchange records within the first 15 minutes of listing. The Capital Appreciation Portfolio Diversification Fund provides investors with exposure to 50 pure-play crypto companies listed on stock exchanges worldwide, including exchanges, mining companies, and equipment manufacturers. Some of the top companies on the fund include Galaxy Digital, Marathon Digital, Coinbase Global, Silvergate Capital, and MicroStrategy. Besides, investors blew past the previous ETF record of $5.8 million within minutes and skyrocketed to nearly $31.3 million by the conclusion of opening day, indicating significant pent-up demand for crypto exposure on the Australian Securities Exchange. And coming back to Doge, analysts think that despite the recent drop in the price of Doge, market makers are likely to prefer a surge above 34 cents in order to capture liquidity. And as a result, if Doge sustains a decisive daily close above 34 cents following this run, the odds of this uptrend to continue dramatically enhance. So do you think Doge can rally up from this position? Let me know in the comment section below. And this is it for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you enjoyed it, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends. Also, please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment section below. Goodbye. Take care.